Hey, how's it going? I hope you're having a good day. I hope you've got your favorite music on. I hope you've got your favorite beverage, and we're going to have a little bit of fun with flowers. In season 4 of Jay Schwanke's Life in Bloom, you're going to meet my neighbor Troy, who's amazing. They had it. Their son and daughter-in-law are going to have a baby, and they had a gender reveal party this week, and it was a baby girl. And Troy is the best neighbor in the whole world. I am so fortunate in this world that I have a friend like that who lives next door, because they've always been here. When they built their house, same time Cal built the house, and they've always been here. I've been our friends for 26 years, and they're just great people. And the kids have grown up next door, Nick and Lisa, his wife. We call her Wheezy. And she is like Martha Stewart. I'm just telling you something. I mean, she has got the prettiest house. They have the same floor plan as our house, so it's always interesting to go see what they do, because our house, is kind of a little like a frat house, flower frat house right here. But Lisa's house is it's like Martha Stewart. I mean, it's fabulous. And Troy has done so many things, and he's handy. And he came and he made stuff out of pallets. That's what we did. Was when we have a recycled episode, and we were going to make some things out of pallets. And we were looking at a tool rack, and we were looking at a compost bin, and then we settled on a potting bench. And then he also made a bar for me that holds bottles and holds bottles and glasses for outside. So he's amazing. They're both amazing. They're both wonderful. And so they also he said Lisa wanted you to have these, and so he made this cool little thing. There are 2 little shelves in our house, and you will see them in that episode. But he said, you put a little pot with a succulent in it. And I was like, can I put a little flower vase there? And he's like, you can do whatever you want to. So I have these 2 little flower vases that set on there. And so we are going to just make a couple things, these 2 little flower vases. And then if you follow us on Instagram or on Instagram or Facebook, we'll post pictures of them, and you'll see these little guys in place. But it's a cute little shelf that's kind of shaped like this that hangs from a string. And then I put the flower vase on it, and it's amazing. So I thought it would be really fun for us to use. I was inspired by the last thing that we made with these little guys, because won't those be cute in there? And then I have some, I have these, which are fabulous too. These are off my own bush. This is the little, that's a rose-colored zinnia. And then this morning, I picked some little orange dahlias in the yard like that. And then look, so this is special. This is the special thing. The thing we're going to use in here. Okay. This is my favorite garden plant. And everybody's going to be like, oh, okay, what is it? It is the eyeball plant, or the toothache plant. My friend at Yonkers Garden Center got me hooked on these. There's one that has black foliage, and then it has a little dot in the center. This is the green one, and it looks like a daisy without any petals on it, right? And supposedly, if you chew them, they will make your mouth go numb. So don't, I guess, right? I'm not interested in doing that, but okay. But if you want to, fun. I guess, but that's why it's called the toothache plant, because people would chew on them when they had a toothache. And so we're going to use a little bit of that there. We'll use a little bit of this here. I've got another piece over here. So my friend Craig grew these for me, because my friend Dirk at Yonkers decided not to grow them this year. Because, there was only one person who wanted them. Because everybody else probably thought, oh, those don't have any petals on them. Right? I mean, so whatever. But yeah, so I wanted them. So let's see here. They're growing all curvy too, because they're kind of tucked in this one little, they're tucked in a little planter box out there. I seeded them over. When Craig gave them to me, I planted them over the top of something else that was already there, because it was done blooming. And so I was like, okay, well, let's just stick these guys in there and see what they do. Okay, so now we have those. How cute is that? And then let's use a couple of these zinnias that are cute. We'll use 2 in 1. and one in the other. And then we can use one dahlia in this one. One dahlia in this one. And then we'll use two dahlias over here, right? So we got one in one, two in the other. Da-da-da, la-la-la. Works right. There we go. Okay. I put my dahlias in pots this year, and I am so happy I did that. I've just loved it. Loved every second. And just so wonderful. And that was a suggestion from my friends at Hope Dahlia, Barb Esch. And she told me to do that. And I just think it's brilliant because I'm able to govern them a lot better. And look, there's the front now. And just take care of everybody better. So it works out well. And then let's see, looks like I've got two of these to go in there. And two of these to go in there. Let's see. It looks like I need something else, right? So what else are we going to put in there? What else would be fun? Let me see over here. Oh, you know what? These are adorable. These are for my friend Craig. And he grows dahlias for me. Look at how cute they are. Ta-da! I just really don't need that there. Look at how it brightens it up, right? I mean, just that one little dahlia in there is like, hello. And this one over here, like that. See, they match, but they don't match. That's the cool part about it. I don't, I mean, I know that people sometimes get stuck on like a color too, and they're like, oh, these have to match or they have to be, okay. But I don't really care if they do or they don't. Let's see. What else? Look, here's a little zinnia. That would be cute in there. Another zinnia, different color, purple. And then, oh, you know what? Let's do this. Here's a green one. So now they really don't match. Mm-hmm. I really, truly, honestly love my neighbor Troy. He's the best. It's like a brother, the handy brother I never had. He's awesome. And Lisa and the kids are just wonderful. And I'm excited there's going to be a new generation of Caswells. Yay! So exciting. And yeah, look at those. Cute. Okay, so then we are going to spray them with Chrysler Professional Glory. And then I am going to go slip these on the shelves and take a picture of them for you. And so then those will be on Instagram and Facebook, so you can check them out there. So you can see where these ended up in the cute little shelf with my neighbors to be excited that they are going to have a little baby girl at that house. So yeah, little grandbaby, Grandpa Troy. That's what's going to happen. Grandpa and Grandma Troy and Weezy. So yeah, that's wonderful. All right, so until next time, remember, celebrate with flowers, whatever the occasion may be, right? Just always celebrate with flowers. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.